this compound, few reactions are carried out, and what are the products? X, Y and Z. The first reaction is using NBS. NBS is used whenever we need to carry out allylic or benzylic bromination. If we check our compound here, we see that this carbon here is benzylic. It is also allylic. So therefore, this NBS results in bromine free radical. So free radical substitution takes place at allylic or benzylic carbon. One of the hydrogens gets substituted by bromine. So the product would be benzene, nothing is happening. Here one hydrogen is removed. In its place I get Br. The double bond is also untouched. So this compound is X. The second reaction, we have bromine with Fe. Bromine with Fe anyway gives us FeBr3. So this is like doing FeBr3 catalyst with bromine. This gives rise to Br+. So here we got Br free radical. Here we are getting Br+. This is an electrophile and hence it is interested to attack this aromatic ring so as to result in electrophilic aromatic substitution. So the second reaction is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Br+ will attack either ortho position, this is ortho, this is also ortho, and in few other products it will attack para position. The major product being the para product. So writing the para product here. The rest of the compound remains same. Here at para position, bromine is attacking. So this is my compound Y. My last reaction, I am taking bromine. If bromine is present, then it will attack. There is no conditions written here like temperature, or it is not NBS, it is not catalyst we are not using. So only simple bromine when it is given, it attacks the double bond. One bromine it adds here to this carbon, the other bromine will add here. It's a simple addition reaction. So writing that product here. One pi bond breaks, a bromine adds here and a bromine adds here to give addition reaction. This compound here is Z. So now we found out X, Y and Z. If you are matching with the options given, then this is X, where bromine has attacked benzylic or allylic carbon. This is Y, where bromine has attacked para position of benzene. And this is Z, where my bromine has attacked carbon-carbon double bond. These are the various reagents which can be used to give various products.